Hey guys, this is Tarika Singh and today I'm very excited to share this really nice sweet and sour, perfectly balanced recipe for orange chicken where we're first going to marinate the chicken, then I'll shallow fry. No deep frying, but you can do that if you want to do that. And then we'll cook it in a really nice, sticky, sour, sweet sauce. Let's get started with our orange chicken. For orange chicken, the first thing you'll need is some chicken. So that's some boneless chicken that I've just kind of sliced up like that. I've also let it marinate in a mixture of some finely minced garlic, ginger and salt and pepper. That's it. Now I'm going to toss it into a coating which is a mixture of all-purpose flour or maida and some cornstarch or cornflour. I'm just going to add all of this in to this. Actually, just kind of mix it in batches just to make sure that all of the chicken gets coated evenly. One hand for the chicken, one hand for mixing, so everything stays clean. So there it is, the chicken coated really well in that mixture of all-purpose flour, maida and corn flour or cornstarch. Now we're ready to fry this up. Now I'm just shallow frying this chicken here, so I've just got a little bit of oil and I'm just dropping the chicken pieces one by one here. What I'm going to do is that once they're done cooking on one side, I'll flip the side over and cook it on the other side as well. I'll show you the kind of color that I'm aiming for and how crisp it will become. I'll cook this on one side and show you once I flip it over. Sizzling away in this pan. Now you will see that I have cooked the chicken on one side, flipped it over, letting it cook on the other side. And this is the kind of light golden brown color that you want the chicken to get at. And once that's done, I will just pick out all the pieces and let them drain on a paper towel. This will cook in about 2 to 3 batches. All my chicken is cooked, I'm ready to go. So now in this pan, I've reduced the amount of oil that was left after frying. You'll see I just have like about 1.5 teaspoons left. Now I'm going to start putting together the sauce that we had whisked together, a little bit more of ginger garlic. Let's get going. Okay, so now for our sweet, sour, sticky orange sauce for the orange chicken, I've got, of course, some orange juice here. To that, I'm going to add light soy sauce. Light because the dark variety will add too much saltiness and also change the color of the sauce, which we don't want. A little bit of vinegar, some regular sugar and a little bit of water to just dilute the flavor. I'm going to add all of this in here. All that is in here, give it a stir, and now to later on just kind of thicken up the sauce, I also have a cornflour slurry here or cornstarch slurry. So that's just a little bit of cornflour mixed with water. Okay, so as the oil heats up, I'm going to add some ginger and garlic. You should also keep a whisk handy for this one. So first to go in will be the finely minced ginger. Garlic is half the quantity. I'm going to cook that till the raw aroma goes away. Literally takes like about 30 seconds or so. I'm also going to add some chili flakes. Saute that as well. Beautiful. Chili flakes will take no time because the oil is already hot. I'm also going to add some capsicum that I've just sliced up. It's just one capsicum. Quickly saute that. Capsicum has sauteed for about a minute or so. Flame is on low, and at this point I'm going to add our orange sauce. Now at this point I just want the sugar to dissolve and that vinegar which we had added to this to just boil up a little bit. It's literally just going to take like seconds here now. The sauce is starting to bubble and boil away. So at this point of time, I'm just going to whisk our cornflour slurry and just pour that in. Very quickly, use my whisk to just mix this in so that there are no lumps. Take the flame up to high. This is nearly done. It'll just thicken up. You see I've got a nice orange color. It's just the perfect color to have here. That's it. This is done. I'm going to turn the flame off. Flame is off. And now in batches, just add the chicken that we had fried up earlier. It's easier to just coat this when you do this in batches. You know what I love about this is that you can increase the quantity of the sauce. You can have it just at this much amount. This is really nice. It can go very easily between a starter and a main course. You can switch things up, really just depending on the sauce. And it's such a kid-friendly recipe, you know. Kids tend to love it. That's it. All the chicken is in. You'll see, beautifully coated in this sauce. And now I'm ready to serve it up. This orange chicken is quick, easy, yummy, got such a lovely orangey, sweet and sour flavor, and of course comes together with ingredients you already have at home. Sesame seeds, totally optional. You can totally double up the quantity of the sauce for this recipe, or you can even use fresh orange juice instead of the one that I have used, but make sure you balance out the flavors because this recipe is a total winner. Stay tuned to get curried.